Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make island tools on Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. For this, of course, you'll be needing iron and stick. So now we're going to start off with the simple pickaxe. So put 2 of your sticks down and then put 3 of your islands and you get an axe or pickaxe. Then, if you want to make an axe, put 2 of the wooden sticks and then 3 of your iron. And there you go, there's the axe. If you want a sword, all you need to do is put 1 stick and 2 of your iron, and there you go, there's an iron sword. If you want to get an iron hoe, you can simply go ahead and put 2 sticks and 2 iron ingots, just like that. Now, the other thing you want to make is shovel, so put 2 sticks down and then put only 1 iron ingot, and there you go, you get a shovel. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.